I'd like to welcome you. You've come on a journey with me. Other way. This is before 20. Why would I want to have it any other way than the way that I have it right now? Yo, what's good, everybody? We're about an hour and 45 minutes away from landing in Dubai, where we're gonna meet up with the rest of the team. It's been about a 13 to 14 hour flight, and I can assure you that I was not out like a rat. I'm about to post Instagram, caption the same thing when I meet up with all the crew. My hand's touching the roof. Some of the dudes on this flight from Russia, some volleyballers made me look so tiny. I just watched a couple movies, passed out for like an hour, or probably like 2 or 3 hours. Hopefully touchdown soon and then see the rest of the crew. Can't wait. I watched that new Venom movie. I don't know, I kind of thought it was interesting, but it wasn't my favorite thing. But I'd be so keen if they mixed it with Spider-Man. I don't know, y'all tell me what y'all think of that movie. Officially touched down in Dubai. Walking to meet up with the rest of the team. And it's hot, 30 degrees, 33 degrees. But Brisbane weather was like 16 before I left. So I'm gonna find everyone else. Oh, it's dark. It's a home for 14 days.
We're so close to it so far. I know.
Yo, this is hectic. Yo, this place is proper hectic, son. Check this out. So we got the views right there. This is chill out, max out, relax out area. There's a basketball court somewhere here, but I haven't quite yet discovered that. I might be up the top deck. I think everyone went for a swim yesterday, and they're all in this little pool. I don't know, I could be wrong. They got spas here. Brandon, if you're watching this, you know I ain't going. Staying the hell away from that thing. They got little ping pong tables or whatever. Ping pong tables. They're little them little hakum sakum. I don't know what they're called. This is the way into the dining hall. Gotta be dressed appropriately. Obviously, my thing's fly, so I'm good. Yes. I don't know what's going on. This is like dining area. Space, food. This is a view. So this is what I'm gonna have to work with. I can get some shots up. Pretty sure they're like 9 foot. No, nothing. Let's see. Yeah. Look here, real quick. Look at these mofos. Oh, all of these people, they still just chilling by the pool, sun baking, whatever. Bet you these other dudes still playing ping pong. How'd I know? Y'all still playing. Slam!
Don't